What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So I'm making progress on this beautiful GMC Jimmy exhaust job, and while I'm doing my exhaust job, Rachel comes out and says the customer disputed an AC diagnostic and recharge. We tell everybody from the gate it's no different than putting air in a flat tire. We don't know what's wrong with it until we air the system up and see what's going on with it. So we tell everyone the same story. You pay regardless. It's pass or fail. We don't care. We're performing a service you're asking for. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to fix your air conditioning system nor your tire. If you ask for us to put air in your tire and the air just keeps coming out, what am I supposed to do? I tell you need a new tire, you tell me no, and you drive away. We charge you for checking the tire or diagnosing the tire. So last month we did an AC diagnostic and recharge at the customer's request. Charge the system, dye the system, gas the system up, AC compressor's bad. Customer declines replacing the AC condenser. A month later, they want to dispute the credit card charge. I don't know if it's this name that just attracts people, or this is just how bad the industry has become. You ask for a service, we tell you what the deal is from the gate at the counter. You decline the necessary repairs, and then a month later you want your money back. It's not how it works. So now the customer has their money back, possibly temporarily. Now I have to take time out of my day and go at this. The customer states on the complaint for the disputed charge that she declined the proper repairs to fix her air conditioner. What the fuck is wrong with the credit card companies? Hey, Mrs. Customer, you do realize what you just said, right? You declined fixing it properly. You're not entitled to your money back. Regardless, however you feel or you think, you're not entitled to a dime back. You declined fixing the car. And diagnosing your air conditioning system, and it still doesn't work, is not Meineke or my problem, it's the customer problem. You need to spend more money to fix your car. Thanks for watching.